Hello, Winda. Have you finished reading passage 8?
Hi Wahda, yes, I have. It was about the mining operation on the Comstock Lode and the problems the miner faced.
That's right. I found the passage very interesting because it explained how dangerous mining was in the past.
I agree, one of the biggest problems mentioned in the passage was flooding inside the mine.
Yes, and the water wasn't just deep, it was also extremely hot.
Exactly, the passage says that the temperature of the water reached up to 64 degrees Celsius in some places.
Can you imagine working in that kind of environment every day?
No, I can. It must have been very difficult and exhausting for the miners.
The hot water also made mining below the 1000-meter level almost impossible.
That's true. Besides that, many miners lost their lives because of the dangerous condition.
Some miners died after falling into the hot water, while others died because they worked too hard in the extreme heat.
I was shocked when I read that at least 53 miners died within just 22 months.
Yes, that number is really heartbreaking.
Because of the serious problems, engineers decided to find a solution.
Their solution was to build a long tunnel called the Surto Tunnel.
Do you remember how long the tunnel was?
Yes, it was about 6 kilometers long.
Correct. The main purpose of the tunnel was to drain water from the mine and improve air circulation.
Better ventilation helped make the upper part of the mine safer for workers.
However, building the tunnel was not easy at all.
That's right. It took many years to complete because the work faced many physical challenges.
They also experienced financial problems during the construction.
Even so, they never gave up and finally completed the project.
Because of its success, the Sutro Tunnel became one of the most famous engineering achievements of its time.
The patient ever compares it to the contraction of the first transcontinental railroad in the United States.
That comparison saw how important and impressive the project was.
In my opinion, this passage teaches us about perseverance and innovation.
I think so too. When people work together and keep trying, they can solve even very difficult problems.
Overall, I learned that technology and engineering can aid life and improve working conditions.
Exactly. That's why I think Passage 8 is both educational and inspiring.
Thank you for discussing with me, Winda.
You're welcome, Wahda. I enjoyed our discussion and learned a lot from this passage.